Cooking Appa.
Are you one of those who always over steam your fish? Let Appa teach you a small trick today, which is choose the right fish. Go and look for this fish called deep sea chicken, 海底鸡. Alright, if you can find this fish, let me tell you, no matter how long you steam this fish, the meat will always remain very, very tender. So that's one trick. Choose the right ingredient, okay? So this is actually normally from Sabah. You can see there's some beautiful stripes on the fish, especially the head parts here, yeah? Now, what I did today is I make few slits on the fish body on one side, and then I cut off open this part so that the fish can actually stand, yeah? So that can actually stand to make the steaming process more efficient. And you do need to remove the kidney, which is the middle blood stains here, right? This middle blood stain is the fish kidney, and that is the source of fishiness, yeah? Me remove that. So now we can actually stand like this. And we can give it some fine salt. And few pieces of ginger. Then we can send it to the steamer. Right, so the steamer has been preheated to 100 degrees Celsius. Very carefully, we put in the fish in the middle and let it steam. And let's go and make the very simple steamed fish sauce. Right, I have one bowl of hot water here. I have some fried ginger and ginger oil and some premium light soya sauce. So first of all, give it a few rounds of premium light soya sauce. Then we put in some fried ginger and also ginger oil. Done. That's how simple it is to make a very, very aromatic and flavorful steamed fish sauce. I heard the tee sound. It's basically done. Wow. Wow, the fish looks so good. We're going to remove all the steamed fish water later, okay? Right, so here's the steamed fish. Right, I have removed all the fishy water. Yeah, the steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. Then we're going to remove the ginger. Right, after that, pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish. Wow, very aromatic right now. And then I'll garnish it with some fresh coriander. Right. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.